outrage in California after that woman right there, convicted of stabbing her boyfriend to death, only gets a slap on the wrist. She faced the possibility of life in prison for stabbing him 108 times. But the judge ruling that she had no self-control while in a cannabis-induced psychosis. Todd Pyro is live in the studio with the shocking details. Todd.
This is a head-scratcher, Ainsley. The judge is sentencing 32-year-old Bryn Speecher to 100 hours of community service, 2 years probation. And the big one, no jail time. She broke down in tears after a jury convicted her of involuntary manslaughter last month. California judge claims she had no control over her actions after stabbing the victim, Chad O'Meala, 108 times. Psychiatrists in the case claim the incident was, quote, 100% caused by cannabis-induced psychosis after the 32-year-old took 2 hits from the victim's bong. She expressed remorse during closing statements, saying, quote, "I wish I had known more about the dangers of marijuana. Had I known, I would never have smoked it that night or at all." O'Meala's family shocked and angry over the sentencing yesterday. The victim's father accusing the judge of being biased, saying, quote, "He just gave everyone in the state of California who smokes marijuana a license to kill someone." The woman and the victim were dating for only a few weeks before his death in 2018. Police arrived on scene to find Speecher in a pool of blood near the victim's body. She also attempted to stab herself in the neck before being taken away by police. Speecher's attorney says this case should serve as a warning against the use of potent marijuana. Back over to you, Ainsley.
I'm in building. It's me.
Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? You already know I'm in the building. Look, this, I had to come outside for this one right here. Okay, so this lady apparently stabs her boyfriend 108 times. 108. Shut the fuck up. 108. Okay? So the judge basically says they gave her probation, slap on the wrist, no jail time. Said that she did not know what she was doing from a cannabis-induced psychosis. I'm gonna say it again. Cannabis-induced psychosis. Cannabis-induced psychosis. Never of the 44 years that I've lived on this earth have I ever heard of somebody doing anything stupid over weed. Never. Not never. Okay? I started smoking weed because everybody around me in high school was doing it. But you know what I did? I did a book report on it, right? Because I was scared. I'm not the jump the bandwagon type dude, you know what I'm saying? Thank God. And I did a whole book report on it. Went to school high that day. Got an A on the book report because, as you can see, I'm energetic and, animated. And I had the whole class bugging, laughing, even the teacher. Where I'm going with this whole thing is research is everything. And this is clearly, let's call it what it is, white privilege. She was booked for involuntary manslaughter or something like that, and then turns around and they give her a slap on the wrist. I don't understand. You have, rest in peace, Emmett Till, who died for waving to a white woman. You have O.J. Simpson, who went and stole his own property back. He did break the law, but they already know that was some subliminal stuff, behind the scenes and everything like that. Politics. I don't do politics. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely absurd. There's absolutely no excuse for it. And the judicial system needs to do better. I'm not even going to really waste a whole lot of time on this. My brother sent a shout out to my brother. Jay, I love you. You know what I mean? Jeremy, for those who don't know. He sent it to me. He keeps up on current events. This is why I don't watch the news, because it's depressing. Instead, I watch the water. because I live where you vacation. You know what I mean? So yeah, we got to do better, ladies and gentlemen. We really do. The judicial system, y'all, come on now. 108 times. 2 hits of a bong, and you stab somebody 108 times. 2 hits of a bong. That was clearly some personal shit. Had to be. 108 times. Flabbergasted again. I'm not gonna waste a whole lot of time on it. I love y'all. You already know what it is. Yo Rap Review. Holla at your boy. Yo. Oh yeah. Yo.